This is my school front office. It plays an important role in managing a school. School is the place where we start our learning. A part of learning, we learn morals, values, Sunnatul Hadith. It is the place where the foundation of our knowledge and morals are laid. I love my school. My school is the second home and is the most popular organization in the city. My school building is very beautiful and spacious. I love my school. It is the place where we learn to differentiate between right and wrong. My school has a computer lab where we learn computers.
We offer Zohar Salah under the monitoring of teachers.
My school provides a good education with Islamic knowledge and my teachers are very affectionate and caring. My school is a place that teaches us concepts, enhance capabilities, prepare future and shape our personality.
Good teachers and the playful environment of my school makes my school the best.
We love our teacher as well. They are very friendly.
School is the first place where we build bonds of friendship, imbibe sportsmanship and leadership skills.
The Messenger of Allah, Prophet Muhammad said, "Eat together, do not eat separately, for blessing is in being together." The meticulously landscaped campus provides facilities for a wide range of sports, extracurricular and outdoor activities.
Our school management plans field trips every year and we are very proud of our school. I love MS.
My school provides creative platform that boosts self-confidence, confides in creative tasks and other activities that balance our academics and social developments.